Hi, my name is Nariza Zain with metric number 289153. For this assignment, I choose the title Flood Disaster Relief Mission in Kuantan. This title was chosen because it is from my own experience as a volunteer who come down to help in the flood tragedy that just happened on December 27, 2023. For information, this mission was carried out for 2 days and 1 night. The focus of our mission is in the Pasir Mas area and also the Kuala Krai area. We have contact association partners in Kuantan to facilitate all movements and affairs. We choose to travel by air to Kuantan, which is by boarding Malaysia Airlines. This journey takes 1 hour. We hesitated to use land because we were afraid that many roads were closed. Upon arrival in Kuantan, we were greeted by a team of volunteers from Kuantan. They have taken us to have breakfast at Ayam Cafe located in the city of Kota Baru. After finishing breakfast, we rushed to the Ibis Hotel to check in. Around 2:30 p.m., we moved to the 8 mission location in Pasir Mas with the 4x4 vehicle that had been prepared. This trip take 30 minutes from our hotel. As soon as we arrived at the flood location, we were speechless because all the houses in the area were flooded. Only feeling of sympathy and words of encouragement can be expressed to the victim. For this mission, we provide basic food assistance. For the picture display, it is clear that all the houses were flooded. We had to board a canoe and cross the water to send basic food aid to those who were confined at home. Hopefully, this help will help ease their burden and reduce their suffering. At the same time, we also give them encouragement and motivation. The next day, the second day, we continue our 8 mission to the Kuala Krai area. Our journey from Kota Baru to Kuala Krai to about 2 hours. When we arrived here, we found that the water in the area had receded. All residents are ready to clean their house. Here we were taken from one house to another to deliver basic food aid to flood victims. We were informed that this area will be flooded at the end of the year, but the people of Disney are still persevering in the face of it. Sad to see the pain they have to endure, but we as a volunteer need to give them word of encouragement so that they can continue their life. All they are the force of nature, the power of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The test will not be given to his servant if his soul cannot bear it. After completing the mission, we rushed to the airport to return to Kuala Lumpur. Thank you.